So you want to mask images using AI and you don't know how to use Photoshop. I got something way better than Photoshop. It's gonna mask your images automatically using AI, so you don't have to do anything manual and you don't need any Photoshop experience at all. I'm gonna show you how you can use this tool and how awesome this is, because I've been using it on all my images to remove the backgrounds. Now the tool that I'm going to use is called ART image matting, and with ART image matting we can easily mask images with AI. Now here we are at the starting screen, and the only thing we have to do here is we have to import our image. So let's say I have this image and I want to mask it. I want to remove this fox from this background. Now we just import our photo and then we go to the settings. In the hardware, we can select if we want to use CPU or GPU for processing. In the AI model, we have different AI models that we can pick from. If you want to have more information about these AI models, just read through these to pick the best one. Now I'm gonna go for edge clear. I think this one works great for this photo, or actually image. In edit, you can select more settings. You can also upscale your image, you can rotate and flip, etc. With AI detect, it can automatically detect objects in your image. So if you want to make sure to remove the background from a specific object in your image, you can use the AI detect. In manual area, you can manually select those areas that you want to remove the background from. In refinement, there is some more options for better results. I'm gonna leave as it is, and I'm gonna click on start to process this image. And now it's gonna automatically mask my image. And it's already done. And let's look at the mask. Look at that. That's a great mask of this image. You can see here, we remove the background from this image and it looks perfectly. And the only thing I have to do here is I have to export this image. When I go down here, we have the export settings. We can pick from PNG 8 bits or PNG 16 bits. We have the output path, select the folder where you want to export this and your level for the quality. Let's click on single export and it's gonna export our image as a mask and without a background. Now let's look at the results of the export. This is our mask. Then we have the image without the background. This is a PNG file. We can use this for anything. We don't have the background anymore. And then we have the image on a green screen. And that's how easy it is. You don't have to learn Photoshop or do anything manually. You just have to import your photo, select the settings, and it's gonna do the rest. Try it out, check the link in the description. It's really saving a lot of time for me to export my images without the background and to mask them. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and catch you on the next one.